Introducing the ProFluidics 285D, a 3D printer made for microfluidics. No outsourcing, no cleanrooms, no delays. ProFluidics 285D allows you to create high-precision devices directly at Benchside. Our proprietary projector technology delivers 28.5 micron XY resolution, producing smoother curves and finer details than common DLP printers. Achieve superior surface quality and feature accuracy for improved fluid flow and more reliable experimental results. It features open software for full control over print parameters and an open material system compatible with any 385 nanometers materials. From CAD to a finished device, you can complete your workflow in one day. Start your research with the ProFluidics 285D, where speed, precision, and control come together today. Your research at Benchside. Bring it to your lab.